Well, welcome back to my channel, everyone. I had a few requests from people asking me to actually talk in my videos, so here I am. Let's get into it. Well, today we're going to do a very popular dish in the Philippines. It's a street food and it's done with pork chops and a marinade and on the barbecue. So let's get into it. 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of brown sugar, some black pepper, about a quarter of a teaspoon, teaspoon paprika, a few peppercorn crushed, teaspoon of salt, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, all chopped, and a teaspoon of soy sauce. And you also need about a teaspoon of barbecue sauce. That's optional, you don't have to put it in if you don't want to. And 1 lemon squeezed in. Now to prepare your pork, you give it a couple of slices on the fat, and you do the same to all of them. Now once you've cut all your pork, same way, and you get your marinade. You can get a bag and put your marinade inside. Get your meat and throw it in. Mix it in well. Goes everywhere. Zip it up and throw it in the fridge for about half an hour to an hour. Okay, so once your marinade is done and your coals are nice and hot, you can start putting your lamb chops on the hot coals. Look at that. And with your juice that's left over, you can paste it. Sorry about the background noise, but we live next to a freeway, so what can you do? Turn over. Wow, no smoke. Beautiful. Neighbour's gonna love me. Oh well. Have a look at that. Stupendously beautiful. Don't forget to give them a little bit of a touch up. Now we're talking. Alright, so sorry for all the smoke. I don't know if you could still see that, but look at that. Beautiful. Bring these ones over here. Seems to be cooking more on that side. That's just perfection. You can cook them as much as you want. I like them a little bit overdone, but they're still nice and juicy because of the marinade. But they're almost ready, and I'm starving. Okay, I'd say we're done. Rice is ready, meat's ready. My stomach's ready. Yeah. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Filipino street food pork barbecue with rice. Yes, look how nice this is. You gotta try this. It's bloody beautiful.